Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to make an AI script to video using CapCut. Here, we'll use the online version of the CapCut. So now let's begin. So what we need to do first is find the script to video, then click it. Here, we can generate videos using scripts. So we can choose the movies and TV. So I want to choose Inside Out 2 as it can connect to people's emotions. Then continue. This will generate script that we can use. You can edit this, then generate. Smart generation. Okay. Then we'll just wait for it to be generated. Then here it is. Still loading.
Hey folks, welcome back. Today, we're delving into the highly anticipated Inside Out 2, focusing on emotions' connection to people's emotions. Inside Out 2 is set to unravel the emotions' journey through adolescence and adulthood. The film's director, Kelsey Mon, has hinted that the Joe character might not dominate as much as in the first film, giving space.
And here now we can edit the video. And we can also export it now. So, that is how to make an AI script to video using CapCut. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.